Be taking a look at is stock ticker symbol EXAD. This one is currently trading at 0036. This was picked by Sheepwolf over in the stock pick on the MVP contest. One of 93 picks there. So let's jump into this one. We went over this one on the 19th, which would have been Monday at 0034. I said that I believed it needed volume. If it gets volume, it's going to head up. Well, here we are. We're looking at it. I mean, just kind of giving you guys my personal opinion on it. So we looked on it over here. I said that if it needed volume, or it needed volume rather. And after I said that, it went up still. It still went up quite a bit. But now it's starting to drop back down. So going off of what we've previously seen here, I think that it's probably pulling back a little bit. The volume's dropping off. Okay. I mean, it's obvious. So put this one on hold. I think that this one might be pulling back a little bit. Doesn't mean anything for the long term, but short term, I think it's pulling back. Get down to that line like I just drew there. Let's see, by the time it gets there, it'll probably be about the 003. Not too big of a pullback, but perfectly normal. Probably get down there to 10-day simple moving average. Like I said, last time we went over this was on December 19th. Joe, is there anything recent on this one, buddy?
No recent news. I'm just going to look at the filings really quick. All right, so there's an 8K today. I'll pull that up really quick. Hold on. All right, so Experience Art and Design is pleased to announce Metropolitan Dry Cleaners has executed a retainer agreement with counsel to prepare its Form 10 for filing on or around January 17, 2017. The filing will automatically go effective 60 days later, although Metropolitan could still be in its comment period. Once the Form 10 has been filed for Metropolitan, a market maker will file the Form 15C-211 with FINRA so the company can begin trading. Since Metropolitan will be filing a 15C-211, the company can apply for an exemption to the 30-day at 0.01 or above rule with OTC markets. So Experience Art and Design will be in one filing with FINRA, change its name, ticker, and spinoff Metropolitan to its shareholders in a registered spinoff with the filing date just a few weeks away. The record date for shareholders in EXAD to obtain shares of Metropolitan will be announced any day after December 26, 2016. Due to the proximity of the 2016 year-end holidays, there needs to be sufficient time for a record date and pay date prior to the filing. And that is all I have.
All right, so you guys heard it. EXAD, if you're interested in this one, if you follow this one, if you're trying to do research, head over to Investors Hangout. I can tell you one thing real quick with this pick and this member, Sheepwolf. If you go up here to the top right-hand corner and type in Sheepwolf, okay, you can just type that in for the board. You're going to be pulled up to Sheepwolf's $1 million journey. This member right here is on a journey to $1 million. That is his goal. That's his concept of the board. And he, I'll go over there and post once in a while to him. Really informative member. And I actually went to him yesterday before me and Joe decided to go through the contest picks. And I was looking through, for a set of tickers. And I actually went over to him and I asked him, I said, hey, is there any stock tickers that you're watching, or is it top secret? Jokingly said to him,
which is a joke.
Yeah. Or is it top secret of his picks? Because I mean, he's picked a really good handful of picks over time. You guys, everybody that watches us knows I say that quite often here, and I'm just trying to drop him a line here in the stream, especially for
Dave. Click on my post right there. See, I ended up posting because he had posted like a quote from Warren Buffett. So I wrote, here's two quotes from Warren Buffett that I was very fortunate to learn when I discovered the stock market so many moons ago. And then these are the two, like, I love them. It's better to hang out with people better than you, pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. I mean, see, especially like say with Investors Hangout. But then the other one was Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls Royce to get advice from those who take the subway.
So true, man. So true.
Go down a little more on it. See, I'm pretty sure Warren would agree that the second one has changed a bit over the years, though. Especially considering that with the World Wide Web, you don't even have to take the rolls or the subway.
So true. I mean, the information is the information highway for a reason. That's why they
Oh,
call
yeah.
it that. But, you know, I took it a little different way. It's better to hang out with people better than you, pick out associates' behavior better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. You know, we come here to the hangout, right? And, I mean, so many of these members are way better than myself at finding these stocks, you know, and it's cool because you come here. I mean, this is a members based show. If you really think about it, it truly is. We ask people for, you know, tickers. You guys post the tickers here in our chat, and then we go up here to the MVP contest. We randomly pick them. I mean, yeah, of course, I go through and make my own list once in a while. But now that we've got the stream off the ground, we really don't even need to make a list. Joe made a lot of changes to the contest, so now that's going to make it easier. So we've already got the picks right out there. So like I said, I'm just dropping him a line here. Sheepwolf's $1 Million Journey. You're watching this, you're interested in EXAD. A lot of posts over here on this board. Check out his board, and good luck to you with EXAD.